Good morning, everybody. Good morning, world. Hi.
That's it. We're trying
You know, some of my phone screen crack. It crack off, and it just give me like this look. Yeah? It give me peer problem, so you got to look at it. Thank you. You got to look at it, yeah? Oh, yeah, man. What the hell wrong with you? Good morning. Close. Yeah. Now when they're not ready. Oh. Thank you for the gift. This another thing is his pocket. Your pocket. Thank you for the gift. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for the gift up gifters. Big up my gifters. Thank you for my gifters. Good morning, what's up? I'm good. I'm good. I can't do no pressing. My hand is in water. So I can't do no touching right now, guys.
Yeah.
And Wifey is doing something over the next side. So I can't call him at this moment now to do nothing. When me there? Me alright when me there, man. Always me alright. And my mind relax and I be comfortable. So remember, the Lord is with me. Yes, both of us. VIP go to VIP. Well, I'm not really comment. And listen, I don't follow comment section. So if me don't follow comment section, me don't do me enough for them. So no care God come with me this morning. So everybody good morning and let God cover everything that you have done. Right? So who never pray this morning, try to catch it before 11 o'clock prayer. Do it before you head out. Okay? Okay. Do it before you get out, guys. You got to do it before you get out. Anyway, I will do it. Baby, that. No? That's my uncle. Hey. Here. We're taking you out from the sun. The sun is coming, so come out of the sun. Thank you, guys. Thank you, gifters. What else on them?
Yeah, the sun is good, you know.
What?
The sun is good.
Are you crazy?
No?
Are you crazy?
No?
Oh, come out of that Sunday and you come like a wobe man. Somebody want to see you.
Who?
One of the person. See
I'm
me?
going over here, sir.
You see the guys.
Oh, who are you, sir?
Excuse the phone, babes, and put the phone with some under the water.
Hello. Oh, God.
People them out one, they on my side. So one team is on. Baby,
Why?
somebody on the phone saying it?
One VIP, don't. Yes, sir. You're not here, where you say?
Watch me and you, man.
Watch you and your man. Where you say?
Watch me and you. Mama, watch your clothes them now.
Peeps. Everybody up.
Mama, watch your clothes. Guys, this is so much trouble. We can't wash it up, piece.
What in pieces?
You're much in pieces. You're much in pieces. I can't do that. All I do. Oh, you're washing pieces, guys. You got to show me. You see, guys. They want you back. Babe. Babe? Oh. Okay. He's doing something. If you're lonely, you need a friend. Trouble sings, people love and rain. I just remember the love. Every time I breathe in, I will be here. Every time. I'm going to show them rings out in here and get them on the line and down on the black one. I'm coming, bro. There's a little cooler. Thank you. You will mash it up too. Why Bams deal with the live last night? Him go on, me say me laugh to my week. Bams baby sing. My ball last night. When Bams say I be a gunshot, him I give me shoot. Shoot my boy, shoot. Said I don't wanna come between you and your man. And I don't know what treat you better can begin. Boy, I can help away the sea. Can help away. Can help away. Just need help. Just need help. You just need help? Yeah? You can't send the person and pay for help you. You can't tell me say me need help is you. So you tell me what you want. For bad mind. So them got you from a friend. So me have a bank load the money for spend. I what do them? Them have a money problem. Laugh me a laugh and I solve them sick. Yo, Martha. My money won't wait. My money won't wait. We're dirty. You wanted to. You are to the boat. What are you talking about? No want my money, Kylo. Good morning. My money to leave something on this earth. So yeah, let me do this. Good morning, Mom. Good morning. How are you? All I know is talk. We don't have a song, much less a skit or a do it. No. Good morning. So she not gonna answer. She don't need to answer. Waste people. From God never tell me never answer, me not answer. So I work with the Lord. When the Lord say pull, me pull. When him say shut, me shut. You hear? Good morning. So you say if you need to take part in God, you need to reach more better, relax, comfortable, now I'm not stressed, now I'm not upon the bed. You know them look away there? You don't feel like drive or something, I'm go. If I don't forget, I'm not go, but how it go? Talk to me, no? I just slide and relax in my house. If I don't come live, now I come live. So, I please myself right now, I choose, I pick, choose. And then I refuse. So what I say? I love everybody. I show everybody love. So when somebody forget for them love time, no, it causes a problem. Jealousy, that man I like. I'm a talk already, I don't want nobody jealous over me. No, it will cause death, war and problem. Oh, your clutch like them really killer. Your clutch like them really killer. Like you go for something now. Yeah? Want to come in here? You tell me when you're ready. So if me get up tomorrow morning, guys, Sunday morning, tomorrow my daughter's birthday. Tomorrow she's 14 years old. Very tomorrow, she's 14. She's 14 tomorrow. So guys, if me go on my bed tonight and wake up in the morning and get a good dream about somebody, and I go tell them a good dream. Why? Because God don't tell me already, so don't tell him. You see in life, you have to give and you have to take. There's so much things people do, and I suck it up. Them say me a cokehead, them say me this, them say me that. Them say, oh, you can't go now, you can't this. Watch God work. Them man are God. So when God gives she the time and fair light, fair doors them for pull. So you feel like I ask God for that? Yeah, I'm ready. You show him say, me am number one battle. I'm warrior. She walk up in anything, she not afraid of no joke. Right? If people know me a long time and me and them grow on the life, them can tell you. I'm not going to tell you my lifestyle. Go up on the media. That's why I stick to the evil that I know. I can't go there with the other man. It will pain me. Beautiful. Yeah, I know. I know me a beautiful bad bitch. You cut me like Lord. soon I go bleach it out, guys. Get a nice bad bitch look. You know what it. Bless up. Bless up. God never fail me, so only for fail people. Eh? Me can't give, you know, but me can't forget. So we are person, though. Babe, show this film. So me can't wash your rings so them. Me can't give, but me can't forget. What a person done to me. Very good. No, carry come. Carry come, may I use it? Yeah, may I use it? Rings to close them. Oh.
Ako si Fat Panty, yes, please.
Say, go and breathe, make her sunshine. It's